Welcome to One Amber, a prestigious freehold condominium in the heart of District 15. If you are looking for a spacious and well-designed 3-bedroom home, this 137 square feet unit is perfect for you. Come, let me show you. This home features a spacious living hall, ideal for entertaining guests or enjoying family time. Its separate dining area gives you the flexibility to host intimate dinners or large gatherings. The enclosed kitchen is thoughtfully designed with plenty of storage and workspace. It also includes a spacious yard which allows you to conveniently dry your laundry. Need extra storage? This unit comes with a home shelter, perfect as a storeroom or helper's room. Plus, there's an additional WC for added convenience. Both common bedrooms offer generous space and comes with built-in wardrobes, making them perfect for family members or guests. Now let's step into the master bedroom. It's good size and well lit, can fit a king-size bed. And over here, it features a walk-in wardrobe with ample space for your storage needs. The master bathroom is well maintained and is big enough to fit in a bathtub. At One Amber, residents enjoy resort-style living with a full suite of facilities including a large swimming pool for a refreshing dip, a fully equipped gym to keep fit and active, a clubhouse for gatherings and events, and 2 tennis courts for sports enthusiasts. Everything you need for a balanced lifestyle is right at your doorstep. Convenience is key. One Amber is just a short walk to Tanjong Katong MRT, making travel across Singapore a breeze. For even greater connectivity, there is a bus stop right outside the side gate, providing easy access to various destinations. For drivers, besides main entrance from Amber Gardens Road, the condominium offers direct egress towards Mountbatten Road, ensuring smooth and quick access to major expressways and the city. For families, this location is perfect. One Amber is within 1 kilometer to some of the top schools in the area, including Tanjong Katong Primary School, Tanjong Katong Girls' School, Chung Cheng High School. It's definitely a great home in an excellent school district. Living at One Amber means you will never run out of shopping and dining options. With all these options, everything you need is just around the corner. At One Amber, you're not just buying a home, you are investing in a lifestyle, a freehold property with world-class facilities, an excellent connectivity, and top schools nearby. This is East Coast living at its best. Interested? Contact me today for an exclusive viewing.